I got into Penn early, landed my first real job at Macy's before spring fling of my senior year. I then, shortly after, got my second job when I realized retail marketing was not my thing. All this to say that I am a planner with a strong certainty for bias. And I am likely not alone. Having clarity over our future makes us feel good, right? It tames our anxiety and makes us feel in control of our lives. And who doesn't want to feel in control? This is why cleanly defined career paths, where each step seems to ladder up so neatly to the next, are so attractive. They seem to reduce the unknowns and offer a perception of certainty. While having a clear career path laid out for yourself is certainly fantastic, and taking some time to plan for your future is wise, becoming too attached to a defined path or a vision of yourself can also be very risky. We risk going through our lives like horses with partial blinders, only able to look at the narrow road ahead and unable to see the opportunities that lie on adjacent roads or maybe even completely different ones. We can miss out on the power of what I call ambiguous opportunities, those callings that do not have a clear relationship to that path or idea of yourself, but can also be incredibly rewarding. Learning to harmonize ambiguity allowed me to pursue a non-traditional graduate degree, experiment as a food innovation strategist, and complete a yoga teacher training, all of which were not part of my original plan, but have been amongst the most rewarding personal and professional experiences of my life. So next time you feel torn about pursuing something that intrigues your heart and mind, don't dismiss it so quickly. Sit with that tension for a bit and maybe explore it a bit further. You might find that it has a very meaningful connection to your life down the road. And after all, that is what your liberal arts education is preparing you to do. See connections where others don't, make sense of opposites, and be eternally curious. Thank you.